Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me today as I introduce you to another inner child from the Inner Child Oracle card deck. Today we have card number 44, Vinny, who represents frustration. Take a deep breath with me and allow yourself to receive whatever in this message is meant for you. The name is Vinny. People say I always look angry, but who would be happy working hard all day, every day? And for what? My dad always said, I gotta work hard and suck it up. It's just life. Vinny knows no other way than to bear down and get through. Vinny has a beautiful soul and so much to love, but he was raised in a home that was deeply programmed to work, sleep, repeat. Vinny has been told since he was a young boy to push down his feelings, desires, and needs and get the job done. This has created a deep inner rage that zaps any bits of joy before they're even born. When you pull Vinny, it may be a time to reflect on where you are simply getting through life. When was the last time you slowed down enough to do something you wanted to do? When we push through our desires to get things done, our essence begins to get frustrated, and oftentimes deep resentment, anger, and frustration can build. Take some time and simply breathe for a few minutes. Notice where you have been pushing through and allow yourself to unwind. Take some time to reflect on what you really want and what would release some of that pent-up frustration. If you pull Vinny reversed, you may be a little lackadaisical these days. Are there things that you need to put your head down and focus on? Are you getting frustrated by all the unfinished projects you've started? Your mantra for Vinny: balance in work and play is always possible. Remedies: number 1, unclench your jaw, take a deep breath and shake it off. Number 2, take pen to paper. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write without thinking about all the things you're frustrated about. Number 3, put a few free days or dates with friends on your calendar to loosen up a little. Journaling questions for Vinny. Number 1, when I was reading about Vinny, some things that resonated with me were: number 2, I notice my frustration creeping up when. And number 3, I feel most free when. Let me know what you resonated with as you listened to Vinny today. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.